Hi everybody. I've been getting a lot of sponsored ads on Facebook for this new drone. It's 4K and well, in some parts it says 8K and all how amazing this drone is. And I looked at the video they were playing, and that drone looks very familiar. I'll show you the website because I did click the link and go to the website, and I got some of the pictures, but it's not what you think it is. Do not buy from these people. They're scammers. So I'll go to the website and show you the drone and the price. So here it says it's 4K camera drone, perfect for travel, blah 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 blah. 50% off, $99. It tells you all these, you know, and stuff. And you see a picture of a drone here, green one. But if you go into the pictures a little deeper, look at this one and this one, it gets to a point where, uh-oh, that don't look the same, does it? They try to make it look the same. So, does that drone look familiar? Only mine's got a filter on the camera that looks like the same drone, doesn't it? And I downloaded some of the pictures. Put that out of the way there. And here's one way you can tell this is a definite scam. Let me get over to those pictures. So this one looks a little different. The arms are a little fatter, and you got these vent holes up here. But I'll go in and look at some other pictures I downloaded here and zoom in on those. Now this is from their website. You look at this picture, and if you zoom in, you see the DJI logo right there. Same as on my drone, Mavic 3 Pro. That's what my drone is. Hasselblad camera. That's what mine is. They're using pictures from DJI in a lot of their pictures, and some of them they're using different pictures. Let's look at another one here. Now this one here says Hasselblad camera. But if you zoom in and look really close, you can tell the file's been edited to remove the Mavic 3 on the arm there. It's smoothed out compared to the surrounding areas. But that's a DJI Mavic 3 Pro Hasselblad camera. So let's check out another picture here that I downloaded. And this one, Hasselblad camera, zoom in, and you can definitely tell DJI information on the arm has been written over. You can tell that's been edited. See how it's more rough over here and it's smooth here. Color's a little off. You see a line here. And I think the last one I'll show is this one here. Now this is a picture of their website of everything, everything it comes with. Now look closely as I show you all this. You've got the drone here. They did a little better job of getting the markings off of that. Still says Hasselblad camera. Looky here. This picture of the drone, DJI. The remote controller is not the same as mine. Mine does not have antennas like that. Otherwise, it's pretty close. Filter kit like mine came with for the camera. The batteries are all the same as mine. charging block here, DJI, the 3 battery charger, everything. And take a close inspection of the case it comes in on this picture, and I'll show you something. Case looks very familiar, doesn't it? So do the batteries. And like I said, my remote's a little bit different than the one they show in the picture, but I'll show you the charger as well here. And mine came with everything that showed. Of course, mine's got the wiring and everything hooked up now, but there's the charger, DJI, and there's the other part of the charger, the batteries fit in. So definite scam. And if you go back and look at more of their website, dig a little deeper into the camera or the drone, like this is the first picture up, but then you get down a little more and it starts to change. Aerial photography, there we go. Let's click on this again, the $99 drone. The Mavic 3 Pro was, I paid about $3,000 for that drone. Oh, I can get 15% off. Ooh, wow. There was something else I noticed down here as I went through. Yeah, here. There shows a Hasselblad camera. This does not say Hasselblad. It says HD camera when I looked at it. And if you notice, the lenses are rounded out, where the actual Hasselblad, the lenses are more flat, because that's just a cheap camera. It's not a good camera. These DJI does not do rolling stunts. And then, of course, here they show you completely different package for the same drone they're trying to say. So if you're seeing all these drones like this on Facebook, they're coming under different names and everything. This one's like called the Horizon something, and they show sponsored video on Facebook with a video and the drone, the DJI, they're on there. Don't fall for it. Look at it close, because most people won't take time to look and see, oh, there's a DJI logo on that thing. And a lot of people don't know the difference anyway. So do not buy from these scammers on Facebook, and get this out to everybody you can, because people will spend $99 and they'll get a piece of toy junk that's garbage, not even worth the $99 you're paying for it. So, and it won't do anything that they tell you on the website. I've seen other guys do videos on these things and show the drones they got. Don't do it. It's a toy piece of junk. It's not worth the money. And if you can, get this video out to other people so they know not to buy from these scammers either. So I just wanted to put that out there and say thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye, y'all.